Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall Geany on Windows. We can uninstall Geany via three methods. You can follow one of these three methods. So first let us see how to uninstall Geany via the Geany Uninstaller. So for this, go to the location where Geany was installed. So in the system, it was installed in program files. Here locate the exe, uninst.exe. So double click on this exe. Click on yes if you get a security prompt. Now here give yes. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. Okay, so now the uninstallation is complete. Click on the program files and here you can see that the Geany folder is removed. So this is how we can uninstall Geany via the Geany Uninstaller. So now let us see how to uninstall Geany via the second method, which is via the Windows settings. For this, press Windows I. This will open up the settings. Here click on Apps, Installed Apps. Here search for Geany. Here you must be able to see the application listed. Click on the three dots. Click on Uninstall, Uninstall. Give yes if you get a security prompt. Click on yes. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. Now click on OK. So now you can see that Geany application is removed from here. Okay, so these are the steps we need to follow to uninstall Geany via Windows settings. So now let us see how to uninstall Geany via the third method, which is using the control panel. For this, press Windows R, type appwiz.cpl and press enter. So this opens up the programs and features of control panel. Now click on Geany and click on uninstall. Give yes if you get a security prompt. Now click on yes. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now you can see that the uninstallation is completed. Now click on OK. And now the Geany is removed from the programs and features. So this is how you can uninstall Geany via the control panel. So these are the three ways by which you can uninstall Geany on Windows. So you can uninstall it using the Geany Uninstaller or via the Windows settings or via the control panel. So you can use one of these three methods to uninstall Geany on Windows. Once we have uninstalled Geany, we need to remove Geany from the path variable. For this, press Windows R and type sysdm.cpl, press enter. This will open up the system properties. Now go to Advanced tab, click on Environmental Variables. Now under System Variables, click on Path and click on Edit. So here you must be able to find the Geany path. So click on it and click on Delete. Now give OK. Click on OK. Click on OK again. So now we have removed Geany from the path variables. Next, we need to do the cleanup. For this, press Windows R and type app data within percentage and press enter. So here you must be able to find the Geany folder. So select this folder and press delete key. So now the Geany folder is deleted. So this is how you need to do the cleanup post the uninstallation. So now once we have done with the uninstallation and cleanup and have removed Geany from the path variable, we need to verify if the uninstallation was successful. To do this, press Windows R and type cmd, press enter. So from command prompt, type Geany, press enter. So now you'll get that Geany is not recognized as an internal or external command. So this confirms that Geany has been uninstalled successfully. So these are the steps you need to follow to uninstall Geany, remove it from the path variables, do the cleanup, and post that we need to do the verification. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.